Diaspora for quite a long time. How are Zimbabweans coping outside there?
It's tough for a lot of Zimbabweans, even the Zimbabweans who are financially and economically comfortable. There comes a time when something says this is not your home. Obviously there are those who don't care, but there are a lot of Zimbabweans who deeply care about Zimbabwe, and at some point, they come to this realization, man, I may be here, I may be driving 2 cars and all of that, but this is not my country. And in my case, one of the things that happened, it has been happening over the years, is in my children, the high point of their life is when we would say we're coming home to Zimbabwe. They loved coming home because to them this is their home. And it's kind of difficult to explain sometimes to your children after a while, why are we not living here?
And what has been your answer when at one point maybe they've asked you, why are we not living here?
Well, my answer has always been to my children that we will go back home one day.
Okay.
Yeah, that has always been my answer to them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what will be your word to them, the Zimbabweans that are living in the diaspora, under the conditions that you're talking about?
I would say to the Zimbabweans living in the diaspora, you know what, we have a responsibility now to make sure that in our lifetime we can truly redeem our country and do whatever you can, even if it's difficult. Do the little that you can, make yourself available, come home and run for elections, if you can, if you believe that you can really bring about change, or support the person in your community who is running for political office. Find the person who is running for political office who is the right person, who has the right ideas, and support that person. And never forget your country. This is your country, this is your heritage, and do everything in your power to participate.